Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this TWOSUN TS27 BK folding pocket knife. This TWOSUN TS27 is a larger knife, comes in at around 8.5 inches overall length, and it's a nice, solid, hefty piece that has a lot of great features that I would highly recommend. I purchased this knife for around the $50 price point. You can buy it on eBay from varied sellers, and comes in at 5.1 ounce weight. And this is the BK, or the black G10 handle scale model. They also make a titanium handle model that sells for around the $70 price point. Has ceramic ball bearing pivot and a ceramic detent ball, which makes for a very nice opening and closing. Just really nice. Very impressed by the quality of this piece. Some senses it reminds me of the Civivis or the Wii knives. It has a D2 blade material with a sheep's foot type grind, with a satin finish on the blade, and a TWOSUN insignia on the front side of the blade, and on the back side says night morning design with the D2 insignia. A very cool blade with a nice belly on the blade. Has a small sharpening choil with a hole in the flipper tab that has heavy jimping, which makes for very nice opening with the ceramic ball bearing. Has a heavily jimped thumb ramp, fits my thumb very nicely. Just a cool piece. I love this knife. Has a full contoured handle with a stainless steel liner lock. Locks up the knife perfectly. And the detent on the knife is about a 5.5, a 6, I would say. Just about perfect. It is a tip-up carry design with a stainless steel carrying clip that shows quite a bit of the real estate when carrying it. Sits high in the pocket. Has a back spacer that has an integrated lanyard hole in it. The overall length of the knife is 8.5 inches. The blade length is 3.86 inches. And the handle length is 4.73 inches closed. Let me give it a little cut test. I have some paper here. Very nice. Very sharp. Nice, meaty grip. Nice handle. 4.73 inch length that fits my large to extra large hand very nicely. Okay, everybody, there we go. It is the TWOSUN TS27 BK folding pocket knife that I would give high recommendations to. So if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you very much. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.